Alrighty, guys. Today we are going to read one of the stories that we usually read for our small groups. So this story today is called Clarence Works for Money. I want everyone to look with their eyes and try and find the title before I point it out. Remember, the title's right up here. It's Clarence Works for Money. And the author is Emily Weinberg. That author is the person that wrote the story. All right. Clarence wants a toy truck. It costs $8. Clarence needs money. Clarence can do chores to get money. Look, there's Clarence right there. And there's the money that he needs. What does he need that money for? Oh, that's right. He needs it for the toy truck. Yeah, so he's going to do his chores to get money. Clarence washes the car. He gets $2. Does it look like Clarence is having fun? He's washing a car. That looks like fun. Let's see what else he does for money. Page 4. Clarence puts away food. He gets $2 more. Take a look at this picture. What foods do you see in this picture? I see an orange, grapes, I see some bananas. Oh, and look, he's getting more money. He's getting more money. What is he going to spend that money on again? Yes, the toy truck. Let's see. Clarence folds clothes. He gets $2 more. Oh, so now he's folding his clothes. That's something that you can do at home with mommy or daddy or your brother or your sister. You can fold clothes and help them out by doing the laundry. Clarence washes dishes. He gets $2 more. Look at this picture. What do you see here? Is he washing the dishes or washing his car? Yes, he's washing the dishes and he's getting more money for his toy truck. Let's see what else happens. What do you think Clarence is going to get money for here? Look at what he's doing. Right here, is he making his bed or taking out the trash? Let's find out. Clarence takes out the trash. He gets $2 more. Oh, so now he's taking out the trash. You see that? He's taking out the trash to get more money. Remember, what does he want that money for? Let's see. All right. This page says, Clarence has money. He can buy the toy truck. Take a look at Clarence. How does he feel? Does he feel sad or excited or nervous? He looks pretty excited, doesn't he? He looks excited. Why does he look excited? Is he excited because he went to the grocery store or because he can buy the toy truck? Yes, he's excited because now he can buy the toy truck. Oh, let's see what happens now. Clarence buys the toy truck. He has some money left. Oh, wow. He bought his toy truck. He's probably so excited. And he has money left. I wonder what he's going to do with it. Let's see. Should he buy something else? Should he save his money? What do you think? Do you think he should buy something else or should he save his money? The end. I'm glad Clarence got his toy truck. Alrighty, that's the end of our story.